All right, so the upper bag bracket, I think the hardest part was getting this hole drilled out. So what I did, I put some paint on that bolt, and it was underneath. I lined it up with the holes, the bracket here, and centered it. And then what I did was I just screwed the bolt up until the red paint touched up there, and that marked it where I had the drill. And I drilled my hole. I feel like that was the hardest part. So much easier if I had a lift. All right, so on the bags, this fitting here was too low when it fits on this cap. So what I had to do was drill the hole out a little bit bigger and then use my Dremel to fine tune it so this way I can get my air line in there. Okay, now that I have that hole drilled out, I mount the brackets. Got 2 bolts going on there. The bottom bracket I haven't tightened up yet. This way I can do my final adjustments when I install it. All right, now I'm gonna test fit. I'm gonna install it up in here, put the bolt in, make sure the bracket down here is lined up. Then I'll take it back out and tighten everything. So when you test fit, it's easier to put a jack underneath the arm, jack it up. After you get this in, throw your top bolt that it comes with up in there, line your hole up there, line that hole there, and it looks good. So I'm gonna take it out, I'm gonna tighten the bolt on the bottom bracket, then I'll finish the install on the rear. All right, tightened up the top bolt, secured the brake line and the bottom bracket. Now I just gotta connect the air line. Also, I need to secure the shock, which is pretty easy. Just jack it up. All right, so the way I'm running my airline, right by the seatbelt, I drilled a hole. So I'll run it up here above the frame and loop it around to the push to connect. And I'll throw a grommet on there. Threw a little bit of wire loom on there. All right. My first Impala rear bag setup. I've never done this before.